Welcome to my YouTube channel Science Academy. Today I will tell you about the wave. First I tell you about the learning outcomes. In this video, we will study, define what a wave, differentiate transverse from longitudinal wave, cite example for each wave type. First, what is wave? It is a series of vibrations or oscillations traveling from one point to another. It carries energy without transferring matter. A small drop of water on a calm water surface can create ripples. Earthquakes are waves we can feel. Some of these waves cause the ground to shake up and down. S wave or side-to-side P wave. In this lesson, we will learn more about waves and their types. Now I give you an introduction to types of waves: transverse wave and longitudinal wave. First, I tell you about the transverse wave. Vibration of particles are perpendicular to the direction of travel. One wavelength is equal to the distance between two crusts or two troughs. The second type of wave is longitudinal wave. Vibration of particles are parallel to the direction of travel. There is compression or refraction. These are two terms. Let's take the example of waves. Transverse wave, light wave, ripples on a water surface. Slinky moving up and down. It is in the form of S waves. Longitudinal waves. The example of longitudinal wave is sound waves. Slinky move back and forth. And P waves. Now wrap up the video. First, wave. Wave is a vibration or oscillations traveling in space. Transverse wave, particle vibration perpendicular to the direction of travel. Longitudinal wave, particles vibrate parallel to the direction of travel. In this way, my video is complete. Thanks for watching my video and also subscribe and like my channel. Thanks.